I'm going to be putting on these Te37 Sagas onto my S2000. These are 18 times 10. Oh, hey, baby. So these are 18 times 10 plus 35. And, hang on, hang on. And they're 35 offset. So they're really aggressive for the S2000. But they are possible. I've ran these before. It's probably the most aggressive you can get before rubbing. I mean, it does rub occasionally if you don't have the right setup. Let me just show you. These are going to be Continental Extreme Contact 255/35. Really good tire, honestly. These are really good tires. Let me show you the inside. They're a little dirty. I know, I'm washing them right now. Let's see here. So we got all the Japanese stickers. Oh, we have the... see if I can focus. Oh, I gotta manually do this. Hang on. Sorry, it's my first time trying out this camera. There it's 18 times 10, 35. Raise. Japanese stuff. There you go. So the ones I'm currently running are 57 DR gram lights. These are nice rims, but they're just not, I don't know, something about them, I'm just not feeling them. I prefer the Te37s. These kind of do look like a Te37s, like kind of like a little baby version of them. They're great value though, I'll give you that. These are 18 times 9.5 plus 38 with the 235/40 tire. These aren't the correct tires though. These are actually a tire for another car, but I don't know, plans changed and I just started running them on my car. You know, it was a good tire, it was alright. These are Kumo. Let's see, not really familiar with Kumo tires. There's like Exta PS31. They're good for, you know, daily driving. Not really for track driving, but you know, Continental's probably better for that. Let me show you the fitment of these. It's alright fitment. Ignore my dent I was trying to fix. Sorry. Then we have that. Front fitment. As for the front, I'm actually running camber ball joints. So it is cambered. It's actually at its max camber in the front, like stock setting, and the ball joints that are camber ball joints, which push it out even further more. So you can see the camberness compared to the rear. I really like this look. And yeah, we're gonna put them on. I don't know if you guys saw, but oh yeah, the tread is really worn down. I was actually having really bad toe wear because I actually had the toe kind of inwards. I had it like that because the car was tending to oversteer, so I did that to fix it, but then I had too much understeer, so I had to go back and readjust everything. So yeah, that's probably not safe on the road. But you know, used up a good life of tire. What they're meant to be used for. These have a lot more tread. These are pretty much like almost new, maybe like 80%. Nice. And for foot-pounds, please always torque your wheels to 80 foot-pounds on the S2000. Please. Torque your wheels. Just torque them. I have a simple cobalt torque wrench. 80 bucks. I know it seems a bit, but it'll save you a lot. Trust me. Torque your wheels, please. 80 foot-pounds. S2000. 80 foot-pounds. So I'll be back with you guys when I finish all the wheels. Alright, so this is what I can do. The car so far does not. This is a very far lens, so you can't really get a good glimpse of it. I'm very shaky right now. I'm trying to hold it steady because it's a very night type of lens, but in here there's not really good lighting. Just gonna show you this. Gotta manually focus because my camera doesn't have the manual focus option. Overall, how it looks, I really like it. Like, look at that thing. Oh my god, bro, what is that? That's damn. Overall, giving you a 360 view. The front camera on this, I don't know, it looks really good. To me it does. Gives it a nice squat. And giving you a 360 view of the T37s. Sorry if I'm shaky. I can't really zoom out, so this is me walking. I'm like a good maybe 20 feet from the car, 30 feet maybe, because of how far this lens is. But this is the only nighttime lens I have, so I have to deal with this. Look, I got all this wall right here to me, so it's like pretty far, and then I got to get across the wall, so I'm gonna get a really close up. All right. Actually, let's get a close up of the tires and the whole room itself. See if I can focus. There you go. Nice. The fitment is so good. Fitment is so good. Makes the car really. This is literally what makes my car like wow, you know? Very nice. Nice. It's cold out here, sorry. Really cold. It's been cold lately. I mean, obviously it's fucking winter. Yeah, I could get some close-ups of it. Of the fitment from the front and the side. I don't know if you guys noticed, but the left side is a slight bit higher than the right, but it's just because of the way the coilovers are. It's corner balance, so when I'm in the car pretty much levels out. You know, get that performance, you know? Boom. I'll try using a different lens in a bit and a better lighting, because this lighting is only, I can only do this type of lighting, and this type of lens is like a very low f lens, but this one has a very high zoom, so I kind of have to be far away from it. Alright, so here's my other lens, so I can get a very close shot. You can see my hand. So this is a lot closer. I'm actually able to go closer to the car, but it's a lot darker because it doesn't have a low light setting. But how it looks so far, really like it. See the fitment, very nice. Pretty much maxed out at the fitment. Yeah. So one thing I'm wondering is, should I do red or white? Let me know, because the car when I bought it, it was white, but the thing is the car actually is red originally. So if I open the door, I'll show you guys. Open the door. Yep, big old red. And yeah, I don't think that looks good. I could probably paint that white and then like paint that white. This I actually painted myself. Not gonna lie, that was painted with Rust-Oleum red, but it came out really nice. So I could probably finish the rest of this car in this red, and obviously redo the carbon fiber. The trunk of the carbon fiber, yeah, that needs a clear coat too. Still need to do the fender back here. Yeah. That's how it came. I don't know what happened. They never told me. But overall, oh, if you guys are wondering, I'm running TN Flex Z's. Really good coilovers, honestly, because I've had Racelands before. I mean, obviously it's not really a good comparison because Racelands is like eBay, but a lot better. Probably one of the best coilovers I had. Well, the second coilovers I had, but really good coilovers. Really good quality. I've taken this car lots of times through the canyons and really good handling, I will say. And it has damper settings and everything. Really good. Showing all the shots of the T37s. Yeah, if you guys are just wondering, I'm just at a parking garage at a mall near my city, Westfield, Valencia. Yeah, you probably all know it, but yep, T37s. One more time on this side. And yeah, I'll try getting more content for you guys. I really do want to show you my progress with this car. You know, I want to do a different front bumper. I'm still debating on the hood if I want to change it or just re-clear it. And obviously I'm still debating on red or white. I think I'm more leaning towards red, just because that's the original color of the car. And yeah, I think red looks good, but I don't know if the contrast between the green and the red is gonna look good. Some Mustang hauling ass over there. Yeah. Beautiful. And thanks for watching, guys. Ooh, look at that front camera. Ooh, wait. There you go. Damn. Thanks. Oh, thanks, guys.